Issue number 6, Prenatal and Diagnostic Testing. Issue number 6 is about diagnostic genetic testing. The prenatal clause of it is unclear in its wording, but implies that this testing should be done for unborn children. The main controversy of issue number 6 is that it requires the genome of every Californian to be kept in their medical file. DNA can be sequenced by the chain termination method. You may recall that DNA looks something like this, and is held together on the sides by these phosphate bonds. This method depends on PCR, polymerase chain reaction, which duplicates the DNA strands, as you can see here. This is a deoxynucleotide and a dideoxynucleotide, used in this method. Because this phosphate cannot bind anymore, the chain is terminated. Because the chain gets terminated, the end product of this is different length fragments. After being fragmented, gel electrophoresis is used. A charge is put across the fragments and they move something like this. Shorter, smaller fragments move faster, so the gel is red from bottom to top. This is a radioactive ultraviolet gel, and this a fluorescent gel. Because ultraviolet is all one color, the fragments are separated into lanes by their last base and are read in a ladder. Fluorescent gels, on the other hand, have many colors, so they can be read sequentially. Issue number 6, Prenatal and Diagnostic Testing. Vote yes or no? Well, no. The primary pro is the improvement of preventative care for genetic disorders. The bill has many cons. It could lead to discrimination. Prenatal testing required by it is dangerous. It's stupidly expensive and requires about 1/2 an internet. How does the bill require 1/2 an internet? 36 million people times 6 billion bases times 4 bits per base equals 54,000 terabytes, or about 0.52 internets. And how expensive can it really be? 36 million people times $4,400 equals $158.4 billion. Over 2012's projected revenue equals 75%, making issue number 6 impractical and too expensive for California.